welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is sharing playing a video. Basically, it's a voice of something that took place, and he's sharing it with us. So just jump on to the video and listen to it. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe when you're done. Thank you.
Before I get into it, guys, I know you guys know yesterday what happened to say? Oh yes, Anna sent back the money to the person, and I'm gonna play a little clip in. Just a minute fragment of that video, so you guys can hear that with. I think they are now. They're good. I think. Maybe I should just play it from the horse's mouth.
Daddy, now. Before I say anything, go ahead. Never, any receipt presented. Because I have the life with the legal, but I have the life with her asking her for the receipt, asking her for the money to rip off from the devil. So she coming up with that fake receipt. It's all, I think it's finished and it's done.
Can you guys hear?
She tell me about my money, and because I don't want to take it up, nothing from a demon, I called right away and I donated to my church. So all what about you give me the $600 and all of that? Did you give me a penny out of it?
Hold on.
Did you give me a penny out of it? Did you give me a penny out of the $600? No. All right. I see them a write up on page say I must see me I get it or me get it.
Hold on. I'm gonna play the clip in that I took out. 1 second. My page. Wow. Okay. Anyways, that's not what I want you guys to hear. This is what I want you guys to hear.
Nakilet, sorry, it was reconnecting. Welcome to the show again, Nakilet. Yeah, why are you sitting there listening to those fake prayer? I done a shop for that. Me know what's up here now. Before I say anything, go ahead. Never, ever, any receipt presented. Because I have the life, she deleted it, but I have the life with her asking
She
her
did
for
do the
the
right thing. She did, and Karen, she did.
So she coming up with that fake receipt. It's all, I think it's finished and it's done with. She tell me about my money, and because I don't want to take it up, nothing from the demon, I called right away and I donated to my church. So all what about you give me the $600 and all of that? Did you give me a penny out of it?
Did you guys hear that? So to sum up what was said, I feel like that is the end of that whole debacle between Anna and Nakilet. Anna, you did do the right thing. And listen, I'm not here taking sides. Nakilet, please don't think I'm here to chastise you or chastise anyone's platform you talk to. I feel like this was long overdue, and it's a good thing Anna sent back the funds. I did hear you guys mention something around 20 grand, whatever. Listen, that's none of my business, and that is none of my business. However, why did she send? You gotta ask her. You can't ask me that. But the most important thing is, the monies was sent back. She is now happy, and she has said her exact words were she is done, long as Anna nor the followers chastises her. So I would encourage all of you, the people in the comments, please don't add fuel to the fire. An already lit fire, mind you. The fire was already lit, right? So if you guys can help quell a situation or quell something that took up a lot of people's lives on the media, I would encourage you. No, please don't disrespect. Guys, please be mindful with the stuff you say, because we don't want another saga between Anna, her, all because of what the followers says, right? You 360, I never once knew anyone said anything about you getting any money from the 600. And even if they said that, that's none of my business. Whether you got any of the money or not, that's also none of my business, right? Nakula already confirmed you didn't get any of the money. So yes, people perhaps said that on my platform, but listen, you need to understand, I cannot control what people says on my platform. You know, I cannot. As much as I can encourage them, everyone on here are grown adults. All of them pays their own bills. So who am I to tell them how to behave on here? All I can do is make sure I conduct myself in a respectful manner towards all of you. And I've been said I'm gonna chat all of you, but I am gonna speak about all of you in a respectful way, respectfully. I hope you guys can accept this. I am not in no cuss with nobody. I am not gonna come in here and tear down anyone or speak negatively of anyone. If there is something to dissect, all I do is play and allow the audience to speak on the things they are hearing. Anyways, I feel like we've fixed that part of it. But listen, Nakulet, I heard you call me Duisha. I'm gonna call you Gyali. Just because you call me Duisha. My name is Dwayne Fletcher. But anyways, listen, I wish all of you well. I wish every single one of you on here with a platform well. So let's just leave that right there. Anyways, moving on to what I'm really here for. Moving on to what I'm here for. I need to think of my choices of words, because I don't want to add fuel to an already lit flame. Understand? I was eating my bowl and minding my business. Listen, darling, I drink my water and mind people's business. That's where I am. Anyways, yes, let me get into it. Oh Lord. Let's get into it. Listen, people. You know, I'm gonna say one more time. I am a man. I don't have a vagina. I'm a man. Right? And if I've taken the stance to uplift my sisters and brothers, yes, I'm still gonna chat them. I'm going to chat them, but I'm gonna do this in a respectful way, right? If I've taken this stance, don't you think it is full time? A lot of these fully grown females on here uplift their sisters too. Why should it be down to us men and some of you good females on here uplifting your sisters? Why shouldn't all of us as a collective do this? I'm gonna get to a point. Guys, yesterday, I know you guys know full well yesterday, I took the stand. I knew for a fact I would have got a lot of cursed and a lot of bashing for my actions. However, I still did it because listen, I can be the change. I can perhaps start something. Listen, it shouldn't be okay for some people on here to flourish and others to not flourish. All of us should be on the same level playing ground. Yes, some of us are above some in terms of clout, whatever the case may be. Some of us are not here for clout. Some of us are here just to have a damn good time, a jolly good time. You know, that like myself, I'm here to have a jolly good time. I have no time to be going back and forth and cursing people on here, you know. And you know, to be quite frank, I feel like some of you on social media you people are building your platform on blatant hatred. Blatant hatred like you know who. I don't wish to call 7. I'm gonna tell you what them say move call him. I got a name for them. Hold on. Let me find the name. I did write it down because I don't want to forget. I didn't want to forget the name. 7 devil in hell. 7. Well, I tell them no lie.